Hello, welcome back to Benny's Take. I'm your girl Benny, and today I'm super duper excited to be bringing you yet another haul. You heard me correctly, we're gonna be doing another haul from TJ Maxx. Now, I already did an unboxing. If you haven't checked out the video, I'm gonna leave it somewhere up here. Check out that video. But as you can tell from that video, I had some clothing items that I just showed you guys, but didn't actually try them on myself. So today I'm gonna be styling those few pieces that I got with some of the stuff already in my closet. I'm super excited because I have some casual looks, I have some, dress up looks, I have so many different things. So with that said, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss out all of the things that I'll be putting out. We have hauls, we have reviews, we have some cooking stuff, we'll be sitting down, dropping some gems, talking, and everything in between. So don't miss it out, oh, I'm telling you, don't miss out. Subscribe, hit the notification button so you always know when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited, because I really am. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's get into this look number one. So these pants, I got them from TJ Maxx, like I said. These are so comfy and so cozy. When I tell you the stretch, literally I can, pirouette. I can do a little it's like really comfortable and super cozy. And I just paired it up with this jacket and this little shirt, which by the way I also got at TJ Maxx for just like a long time ago. But I just put this together with sneakers. Nothing too crazy. I don't know if you guys can see my sneakers from the camera, but nothing too crazy. This is a really quick look if you're running errands. For me, when I am like going to clean, I'm trying to like dress a little bit more, cute yet like, casual. So this would be a perfect fit to either work out or, like I said, go clean. That I'm just like looking a little bit more polished and whatever have you. So this is look number one. What do we think? Pants are from TJ Maxx. Shirt also from TJ Maxx. The sneakers are black owned. I could tag the boutique's name if I could figure it out, but that's black owned. And I remember I got this jacket a long time ago at like H&M, I think. So yeah, that's the whole look. How do I look? Let me know. Let's get into look number two. This is a skirt that I showed you guys. I am loving the way it fits. Petunia is always giving ginger. She's out here chilling, living her best life. In 2023, as a matter of fact, I'm no longer sucking my stomach. You're gonna get Petunia the way she comes. You understand? So I'm loving this look. Again, this is the casual look. I paired it with some sneakers for those fall days that are not too, cold or windy. This is a really cute, look for like a coffee date or whatever have you. I'm gonna turn this way as I'm looking at myself in the mirror, but like, yeah, the back really just like fits really pretty. And I just put this like, bodycon on, and just to give it like a little bit of a look, I just took a sweater and I just like threw it on the top just to give it a little, spice, a little something, a little fall vibe situation. So what do we think? I like it. I like this a lot. I think this looks great, and it's very comfortable too. Like, I can do a lot. It's super comfortable. I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. Rate my outfit. Is this giving? Is this cute? What are we thinking? I want to start by noting that when I have on this blazer, just go ahead and respect yourself, because the level is different, and I just wanted to show you that you don't have to buy 1,000 things to style an outfit. This is the same thing I had with sneakers. I literally just threw on some boots and a little blazer and some purse, and there we have it. A little bit more of an elevated look if you wanted to maybe like go out to brunch with the girls or something just like fancy. You can definitely dress this up, or you could dress this down like I just showed you guys. I love this look. I love the way it feels. The boots definitely add that little, extra situation, but otherwise, this is really comfortable and this is really cute. I like this. Let me actually look at myself real quick. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I am upset. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is really pretty, and if you're one of those people that are a little bit more fancy and you do not want to actually wear the jacket, hold on, if you do not want to wear the jacket, again, you can just like throw it up on the top, and it's like, let me get my bag, Tyra Banks, situation. I love this. I love this a lot. I think this looks really, really good. I'm not even just saying this because it's me. Hey, you people, you see this? Look, oh my God. Let's get into another way you can style this skirt. If I'm being honest, this look right here is the reason why I literally went to find this skirt. If you guys have watched my Chicago vlog, I literally wore this top here with a black skirt and this same boots, and I believe I had a different bag. But I lost the black skirt, so I was like, I need to find something else. So this is why I even bought this skirt. But listen, this is giving the vibe. And if we're being honest, there are some days where we're feeling confident, like Petunia can be out here, you know, living her best life. But realistically speaking, there are some days where you're just kind of like, yo, but why are you still here though? Like, I'm at the gym, I'm eating my broccoli, why are you still here? And for those days, a good way to just like, you know, dress yourself up is to find something that's comfortable, that can still, you know, give you a little bit more coverage. And this is it for me, you know what I'm saying? This is giving me the vibes. The skirt is still sitting there, and the little sweater, very much like fall vibes, very much like cold weather. You know, you can even wear this in the spring or whatever have you. Again, same skirt, same boots, same bag, just threw on a different, you know, top. You have a whole different outfit. So I love this. Let me actually turn around. Hey, this is me, oh. You see this? This is, you people, this is me. I'm looking at, this is, look, let me hit you from the back real quick. You see, Yahweh, boom. It's giving just like, I love this. We have arrived though. Listen, I'm giving you options. If you're the kind of girl that's like, I love a little color, and sometimes it's not that cold, girl, we don't need the boots, we don't need the sweater, we don't need none of that, and you still want to look like cute, stylish for date night, I would totally wear this for date night. This is how I styled it up, just like a little turtleneck, and I use some shoes as far as like a little pop of color. Now, keep in mind that even the pop of color that I'm adding is still making sense as it relates to the skirt. If you pay attention to the skirt, it has a little bit of, you know, a little redness, little orangey situation going on. So the shoes that I added obviously are still aligned. Please do not put on like, I don't know, purple. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't put on a color that's like, nah, cohesive or doesn't make sense. Unless, of course, that's what you're trying to do. Let me actually back up. If that's what you're trying to do, then that's what you're trying to do, is what I'm trying to say. But if you're anything like me and you still like to, like, you know, have some color but not too clownish, this is the way that I styled it. Again, it's just giving like really cute, grown vibes. This bag I got, it's a black owned bag. It's called Vonnie. It's a black owned bag, you know, vegan leather, all of the things. This is an old turtleneck. I have no idea where I got this from. And these shoes I stole from my sister. Yeah. I stole these shoes from my sisters. Sorry, sister. But this is the whole look. I like it. Again, the skirt is just like giving a really, really cute vibe. I love this so much. You people, you can look at my hands. You have the permission. Let's get into these pants. Like, look at them. First of all, before I even tell you about the pants, check out this jewelry. These are from a friend of mine. They're handmade, authentic, you know, Malawi. She's from Malawi, yes. Authentic Malawi, you know, jewelry. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave her link down below. Again, black owned. You know I love everything black. Definitely check those out. And let's get into the pants. So these are so comfortable. Like, again, you can do the most. Like, literally, I can do skeleu, slow down, all of those things I can do in these pants, you know, because they're super comfortable. But no, seriously, the back of it, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the back of it is a little bit more stretchy, and then the front obviously just like, you know, that regular, you know, regular pants. It has pockets at the front, no pockets at the back. I love how comfortable this makes me feel. I have this one with a little just like, you know, tee. Another way to transition from like summer to fall. Just like take your regular tee, like throw a little sweater on the top. So I have this one here, again, with a little bag. Let me show you how it would look like with the little jacket, the same jacket that we used before. Just like that, you have a whole another look, a little bit more elevated, a little bit more of a fallish look. I love this jacket, by the way. I wear it with literally anything. If I want to feel like sophisticated, if I want to feel like, Madam Vice President, this is usually like, the jacket that I go to. If I actually want to look like Michelle Obama, this is what I pull out. That's a better example. Michelle Obama should be giving vibes. So this is like my go-to jacket. Just like throw it on top. Get you a nice little jacket. I believe this one was a gift. Somebody gave this to me, but I've used it so many times that I feel like I've gotten my money's worth or their money's worth. Alrighty, let's get into this blazer. This is literally the most stretchiest, lightweight blazer I've ever worn in my life. Like the material is very like stretchy, it's very like breathable. I love this. It was on sale for like $26. I just styled it with this little like sleek black dress. I got this from Shein. The shoes, I believe these were a gift. Somebody gifted these to me a couple years ago. I love that. This bag was also a gift from a friend of mine. So definitely love this whole outfit. You can wear this if you're like a teacher or like professional, you still want to look like cute and put together. This is a really good outfit. Maybe don't wear the heels because again it might be like harder to like walk after like a long day, but for the most part this is a really cute look. I would wear this literally anywhere else. I don't care what anybody says. Black is a happy color to me, so I could wear this out with girlfriends, just like a night, a night out. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing like clubby or anything, but just like some fancy place. I could definitely see myself being out there. So I love it. This is what it looks like on the back. Again, nothing too crazy. I definitely have to iron it, steam it, and do all of the things. But I love it. I really do love it. What do we think? Would you guys even like this button? I don't know that I like it button. Let's actually try this. I don't know. I don't know that I'm feeling it button. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I have the ratio, the nyash ratio is not really well. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're somebody that's a little bit more, I don't want to say flat, but that doesn't have a lot of booty like I do, it would definitely, lay down back there pretty like a dress without doing this right here. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the part that's making me a little bit more uncomfortable. But otherwise, I really do like it. I would not button it. I don't think I will. I would just like wear it like this. And if I wear it down, I'll probably just like throw a scarf or whatever. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah? Is it giving? The vibes? Sophistication. So let's get into yet another way that I could style this jacket. I literally just put it on with this little bodycon situation. I also got this from TJ Maxx. The same purchase. When I got this one, I also got this little bodycon. So I just put this one together like this. Threw on a pair of jeans. Nothing crazy, and I just wore these little to my shoes. And just a bag if you want to. But you can dress this however way you want. If you don't want to do a black over here, do a little bit more color. Whatever you want to do. Like I said, black is a happy color for me, and I love this. I think this outfit is really cute. You know what I'm saying? Like it's giving you that casual vibe. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't want to do heels, throw on some little like booties, little booty, like a little booty situation. What am I saying? Throw on those little boots that are like with short heels, little booties. I'm gonna call them booties. Throw on little booties and then just like call it a day. Or you could do like sneakers, whatever you wanna do. But this is yet another way to just like use this same blazer, getting your money's worth. Yeah, I love this. You know what I mean? I really love this. Last look, but certainly not least, we have this same top situation that we had from the previous outfit with some shorts. Listen, if you want to just like be maximizing your relaxation and your casualness, throw on some sneakers, some shorts. Again, if it's not too cold, don't be out here dressing inappropriately for the weather. Don't do that to yourself, you look stupid. But if the weather's like nice, like today I can see myself wearing something like this. It's very cute, just like a little purse. And if you really want people to respect you, yeah, put on some shades, okay? And mind the business that pays you, alright? Alrighty, there you have it. That's it for our vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know which one was your favorite outfit. Was it the skirt? Was it the blazer? Was it the pants? Like, which one was your favorite and which one did you like the way that I styled it? So thank you so much for watching. Again, please make sure that you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And while you're here, go ahead and just like watch all of my videos. Do they come on here or here? Whichever way they come on, please go ahead and watch some of my video. And until then, mind the business that pays you. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Z's.